Fixing to timber floorboards with adhesive and screws. DeltaBoard is not designed to be directly fixed onto timber joists. Therefore, floor joists must be overboarded with a suitable structural material, such as plywood, chipboard planks, T&G boarding, etc. Check with the adhesive manufacturer for advice on priming the floorboarding. The adhesive should be applied directly onto the floorboarding, using an 8 to 12 mm notched tiling trowel. DeltaBoard is fixed using a good quality cement-based flexible tile adhesive that meets classification C2, S1 or above. Solvent-based or ready-mixed adhesives must not be used. Apply pressure to the DeltaBoard surface, making sure there is good compaction into the adhesive and that no hollow spots remain. Fix the DeltaBoard in a brick bond style as you proceed, ensuring the board is fixed level and flat. In addition to the adhesive bed, the boards must also be secured to the floorboarding with 35 mm diameter fixing washers and a suitable screw. Once the adhesive has set, fix screws and washers into the floorboarding. Note: when fixing screws, make sure to avoid electrical cables or pipework that may be concealed under the floor. The spacing for the fixing washers should be set at 400 to 600 mm centers. For example, 8 fixing washers per 1200 mm by 600 mm board. It is acceptable to place fixing washers directly along the DeltaBoard edge, so that the fixing washers can secure adjacent boards, reducing the amount of fixings required. Position the fixings along the edge and down the center line of each board. The fixings placed down the center should be staggered from the edge fixings, creating a crisscross pattern on the board surface. Prior to applying tiles, it is important that all joints, penetrations, and fixings are bridged using a suitable joint bridging tape. The type of tape used will depend on the end-use requirements.